Friends, welcome to our channel. Saffron is one of the oldest and most culturally rich spices. But do you know why is saffron so expensive? The market price of saffron is close to rupees 3 lakh per kilogram. Needless to say, if saffron is expensive, it also has that many qualities. The positive effects of saffron on health are well known. Saffron, when mixed with milk, is extremely beneficial, especially for pregnant women, since saffron plays a vital role in enhancing beauty, which is why a lot of women include it in their diet during pregnancy to have fair children. The rich people of entire world use saffron in their daily life. 85% of the saffron production in the world takes place in Iran. Other countries that grow saffron are India, Afghanistan, America and Spain, but which are to a very low extent. Since the price of saffron is to the level of gold, not everyone can afford it, and most of the times the saffron is not even original due to its high cost. You might have wondered, why is saffron so expensive? There are various other things we can eat which can be beneficial, but what is so special about saffron that makes it so expensive? Let's know the reason to it. Saffron cannot be harvested with machines but requires manual labor. It has to be removed from flowers and dried, after which it can be sold in the market. Saffron grows in crocus flower, which blossoms only for some time, which is when it would be harvested, because it withers very quickly. One flower contains just 3 threads of saffron. Thus, 1 kilogram saffron requires growing of more than 60,000 flowers. It requires a lot of manpower in the process, since saffron threads are very delicate and every thread has to be removed manually, which is a time-consuming process. The best period to grow saffron is between September and December, and the best time to harvest it is in the morning, since the atmosphere and the sun rays during the day can spoil it. The biggest problem faced while growing saffron is that it cannot be exposed to too much heat nor too less heat. It cannot have too much water nor too less water. Sometimes the flower spoils due to the flow of air. All this makes growing saffron a risky task for farmers, and that is why saffron is so expensive. That is all for today. If you like the video, please hit like button and subscribe to our channel and hit bell icon and share this video with your friends. Stay healthy, stay fit. God bless you.